I know you're a complete noob and you want to be a forex trader, not even only forex, maybe a crypto trader or a futures trader or anything, whichever journey you want to choose. But you're a complete noob. You don't even know where to start. You don't even know who to walk up to because the outside world is full of fake traders, fake mentors, fake everything that are claimed to be what traders. But you did your research and you found out that okay, you have to go to BabyPips. I will tell you the truth. BabyPips is one of the ways or one of the places you have to go through as a noob who wants to start forex journey. Because I'm going to tell you, this thing is a journey that is very long, and you have the freedom to quit at any point if you get exhausted. That's it. But I would advise you don't get exhausted if you really mean this journey. And number two, this journey is not a journey of quick money scheme. I'm telling you the truth. Although it has been portrayed out there as a quick money making scheme, but it is not. It's a business. So now, let's imagine this: you get an admission to university to study accounting. Do you know how long it's going to take you to just understand the template of how the accounting world operates? Now let's come outside that box and let's talk about a global financial market. Like when we say global, not just one country, not two countries, but all the countries in the world. The global financial market, how it operates from the moment you go to the airport, you exchange some money at the counter to like exchange the currency to the base currency or a quoted currency. You're already involved in forex already. So you're already part of the forex world unconsciously, unknowingly to you, you're already part of the forex world. But you did your research and you want to be in the real forex game and you find out like okay, even to be able to get in, you need to go through some stages. Now, you go to university to study a course for 4 years, a course for 4 years. But now you want to study Forex. And most people come with the projection of you can study Forex within 1 week and get it. Yes, you can study Forex within 1 week and get an idea of a template. But that doesn't mean you know Forex. You just know a template. You understand? That doesn't give you the idea of you understand how the world really works. Because being a trader means you understand how the world really works. You understand how the world of forex operates. That is what forex is all about. Now, it takes a very long process for you to get to understand how this world operates. But now, starting that journey starts with step, and which is one of the steps you're taking. Maybe you might have done a research. I don't know how you got here, but this course is all about how we're going to get started with studying BabyPips. So we are going to start BabyPips from the first class to the last class. There are over 300, over 350 classes on BabyPips, and we're going to be taking from topic to topic to topic to topic to topic. There are some topics we don't need to waste time on. So my name is the Hanon Trader, and I've completed the BabyPips class from the fourth class to the last class, and then I'm a graduate of BabyPips as well. So yeah, I'm a more advanced trader now, but I put this upon myself to ensure like I want to teach people trading, but I also want them to go through the phase I went through because I started from BabyPips. I'm not going to lie to you. I started from BabyPips. I started from what is forex to the advanced. What is the delta factor of this other block? You can look. I'm talking. No, advanced trader will understand that I've just talked from the perspective of a new trader to the perspective of an advanced trader. So now we're going to start with BabyPips, and it's just an introduction to forex. It's going to take you from that noob level to like a rookie level, so more like a beginner level. So from there you can now have the confidence to go into more of like the intermediate level and then the advanced and then the super advanced level. You understand? But one thing is, if you really want to know how this world really operates, you have to start with BabyPips in order to have a knowledge about what are the things we need to know. We want to understand how the chart patterns work. No, there are different types of chart patterns. It's going to introduce you to everything you need to know: the flags, the wedges, the harmonic structure, the head and shoulder. There are a lot of things. How to read the fundamental analysis and everything. You need BabyPips to understand this thing. So BabyPips takes you from that beginner stage to a more advanced and like a more intermediary stage. Let's say intermediary stage. Then from the intermediate stage, you can now go to the advanced level, and from an advanced level, you now go to a super advanced level. So then from there, the journey continues from there on and on and on and on. So one thing is prepare yourself. So one of the things is don't ever think because when you're done with BabyPips, you're a graduate of BabyPips, now you can now start meddling with the market. Oh, I'm very sorry for you. I'm very sorry for you. You might be playing with fire. So one thing is you have to calm yourself down. After we are done with BabyPips, I will start taking you into the intermediary to advanced level of forex trading. Then we go more into the more advanced level of forex. So stay with me as we get on this journey together. I'm here for you. And most times, if you look at my channel, it's a new channel, but I always set my setups I trade every day. As a noob, you may not be able to have an idea of what those setups are. So you don't need to go there. You can't even understand because they are more advanced setups I trade every day. They are more of like inducement setups I trade every day. Now, if you go there, you might be lost. So you don't need to go there at all. Don't even get near it. You understand? All you just need is face this class and then get the best out of it and grow. Let's get started. You're welcome to my first section of forex class. So first thing first, you need to go to babypips.com. No, when you go to babypips.com, babypips.com, all you need to do is, like I'm signed in already, all you need to do is sign in from here. Just come on this option here. Already signed in here, and first thing first is we go to learn Forex. Then you come to learn Forex, and then you click on start course. So under this course, there are different sections. You can see I've already completed these classes already. I've read everything, gone through everything, and it's very huge. So you see, like, everything was grouped. There is the preschool stage, there is the kindergarten stage, there is the elementary stage, there is the middle school. You can see from after elementary there's middle school stage, summer school, high school, undergraduate freshman, undergraduate sophomore, undergraduate junior, undergraduate senior, then graduation. So here we are going to go through some of the things we are going to be learning as a newbie in Forex trading. For example, under the preschool, we're going to be learning the introduction to Forex. How do you trade Forex? When can you trade Forex? Who trades Forex? Why trade Forex? Margin trading. 1-1. Understand how your margin account work. Now, kindergarten, learn the basics on how to choose Forex broker and analyze the currency market. So first things first, this will teach you how to know Forex brokers. For example, we have the B type and the A type, and then there are different type of brokers. Usually the three type of analysis, which is the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and the sentiment analysis as well. And then the type of charts, there are different type of charts. Now we have the bar chart, we have the candle chart, we have the line charts. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of different type of charts. So that's by the way. Then we go to the elementary, where we start learning a little bit about some features or analysis or tools. Let's say tools in the Forex market. Like now we have the support and resistance level, the Japanese candlestick, the Fibonacci levels, the moving averages, the popular chart indicators. So from middle school we go to oscillators and momentum indicators, the important chart patterns, the pivot points. Then from there we move to CKRC, Elliott wave theory, harmonic price pattern, and then from there we move to the high school level. We start learning trading divergence, market environments, trading breakouts and fake out, fundamental analysis, currency crosses, multiple time frame analysis. Like we have them multiple time frame analysis, more like top down analysis and down top analysis. So we have the undergraduate freshman level, where we learn about the market sentiments, we learn about the trading, the news. That's more fundamental analysis, but more like the advanced fundamental analysis, carry trade. And then from there we go to undergraduate sophomore, which is the US dollar index, the intermarket correlation, using equities to trade FX, country profiles. That we talk about the different profiles of each country, most especially the major countries which pairs have been traded in the market. Then from there we go to undergraduate junior, we go to developing your own trading plan. Which type of trader are you? You choose the kind of trader you want to be, maybe the swing trader, the day trader, or scalper. So we have keeping a trading journal, how to use MT5 basically is what we are going to be working with here. And then undergraduate senior, we talk about risk management, we talk about the number one cause of death of Forex trader, and then we'll start talking about the position sizing, setting stop losses, scaling in and out, currency correlation. And then from graduation we'll take some kind of prop trading firms, how to recognize the right prop firms to work with, the most common trader mistake new traders make, Forex trading scams, personality quizzes, and then the graduation speech. And then you are left to move on with life from there. So though some of these courses has been updated right from them, like before, this section has already less than this number, but there are some information that are now added to this. Now it has been updated. We are going to go through this together as well. This section completed. Now this place has been updated again, because I think it's about 40 or 40 something before, 49 courses. Now it has been updated to 54. Now this completed. So I've already gone through BabyPips. So this thing is just for newbies. You have no idea about what the Forex world is, and then you want to go into Forex. That is why you have to be on this particular beginner course, because this is a complete beginner course. Like zero, you have zero experience about it. You don't even know where to start. Because, and number two, I'm going to give you some key information you need to put in place. And one of the key information you need to put in place is you should know that you are not allowed to take trade even during the process of learning these courses, because this process is going to take like months for you to understand. We're going to be taking it stage by stage. So you are not allowed at any point to start taking trades on your own until you've got to the graduation level. But you can start back testing and start taking demo trades, but you are not allowed to start live trading on any platform, whether MT5 or anywhere, or any broker or anything. You are not allowed to start taking live trade until you've got to the graduation level, because after the graduation level, now you now start the advanced analysis, which is the smart money analysis, smart money concept, the ICT. We talk about the supply and demand, we talk, and the rest of the advanced trading concepts. So from this, you are not allowed to take any trade after this. You are not allowed to take any live trade. Please, that's a strict warning. You are not allowed to take any live trade. Yes, you can practice whatever you've learned in the process of this course. You can run demo trades, you can do everything, you can run demo setups. You are free to do that. But get me, because you are getting a particular thing doesn't mean you already know Forex. It's just that you are just testing what you learn. Not that you, because you did it on a chart and it worked, that doesn't mean you already know Forex. It doesn't mean you already know Forex, because this is an advanced world. This is an advanced financial market. It's something that you are analyzing the global financial activities of everybody around the world, the global financial activities. So it's not something you just learn in 1 week or 2 weeks and think like you've gotten it. You understand? So this thing, and my main goal is to make you understand the concept, the full concept of trading, and how I go about teaching people how to trade the market. Thank you.